Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really enjoy unboxings. Today is my Allure beauty box for the month of December. I have received Allure beauty box kind of off and on throughout the years. I have found that they are generally a little bit more skincare heavy versus makeup heavy like some other subscriptions. And you know, I only have one face. And you can only use so much skincare at one time. So I find that they have a really good selection, generally speaking. I think that there's a really affordable, and it's a really affordable option. It's a really affordable way to test different skincare, hair, things like that. I find that I'm generally pretty pleased with my boxes. They are packaged well. We get a little pamphlet on top. And I like with Allure Beauty, it will be kind of the latest and greatest, or it is kind of well-known, well-loved, tried and true products. And they always give us a little informative pamphlet. It tells us how to use the products, why they chose the particular products that they did. And we usually get little coupon codes or discount codes for the products, you know, for the brands and stuff like that. We have a little thing here that says gift an Allure subscription. Okay, I have a $10 member store credit. I'll take that. And they do really good bundles and like member like perks and stuff like that, which I really appreciate as well. Wow, this thing is filled to the freaking brim. All right, first thing right on top is the Innisfree Gentle Retinol Salicylic Daily Toner Pads. We get 2 pads. And with the Allure Beauty, we get some full size, some samplers and stuff like that. It's a pretty good variation. What in the world is this? Oh, this is from Lucetta. We got a hair mask recently. This is the Manuka Honey Kiss Deep Hydration and Shine. What are you? Oh, Manuka Honey Shampoo and Conditioner. Yes, please. That sounds amazing. Love the packaging. Okay, I'm definitely keeping this, and nothing goes to waste on my channel. I do have a resale group over on Facebook. I do a ton of giveaways. Of course, I have family and friends, so oh my goodness, I'm excited as heck about these, y'all. I'm actually gonna smell this right now. I love honey. They're sealed, never mind. I have plenty open right now. I love honey. I love the taste of honey. I love like fragrances with honey in them, like the Gisou honey like hair spray thing. I love that stuff. Something smells incredible in here. Maybe it's just me, but something smells good. Ooh, next up, we have the Rodial, the Firming Eye Cream, Revitalize and Firm, the Bee Venom one. I've heard rave reviews about this. If you have any experience with anything that I'm showing, please let us know. And this right here, I'm almost positive is gonna be a value of like $100, so it already more than pays for the entirety of the box. Next up, I've also wanted to try some stuff from Dibs, so I'm excited about this. This is the Dibs Go-To Glossy Balm in Mims. Maybe I'm smelling my perfume. If there's not a fragrance somewhere in here. Oh, it's this. Oh, I can smell it through the thing. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That smells divine. I'm excited to try that. Okay, I think I'm going to try to wipe off what I'm wearing, even though it's a stain. I don't know how well that's going to work. But I do want to try this. Oh, I love the packaging. I love that shade. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna demo that, hopefully. Next up, I think this is it. Let me just double check. Yes, we have a little thing in here for HelloFresh as well. This is a Beauty for Certain Soft to Sculpted Contour Palette. Okay. I feel like Beauty for Certain is a staple in a lot of these subscription boxes. Okay, that is the outer packaging. Oh, that is beautiful. I was actually expecting, it says contour palette, but it's also got some shimmers. So I think they more so mean eye contour. That is really, really pretty. Ooh, those are big pans too. Yeah, I like that. Use the lighter shades, soft brightening and lift on the cheekbones, the bridge of nose, and the cupid's bow. Apply the deeper shades to the hollows of your cheeks, your jawline, and temples. Okay, start light and build up. I like that. I like that they're marketing it as a contour palette, but contour in the way of face or eyes. I mean, obviously these are shimmers. You're not going to contour with shimmer shades. I'm intrigued. I'm excited. All right, we're going to go into our little pamphlet. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. I think it's great. All right. First up, and then I'll test it out in just a minute, we have our Dibs Beauty Go-To Glossy Balm in Italian Soda, Kiss Me Quick, Rock Candy, or Mims, and I'll show those to you. Why you'll love it. It's a balm, it's a gloss, it's both. This double duty product gives lips the best of both worlds. It nourishes and adds shine in one quick swipe. Antioxidant rich cherry kernel oil moisturizes, while the ultra fine shimmer gives a sheer gorgeous gleam. You'll choose which one you'd receive from 4 great glimmering shades. And it is a retail price of $24, so this basically almost pays for the entirety of our box. We do have a promo code. Receive 15% off of all core products with code DIBSXAllure. Valid December 1st through January 31st. Does not include bundles or sets, gift cards, or Dibs big ass candle. I didn't know they had candles. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I think I'm gonna try this real quick first, and then I'll talk about the deets on the other things. And right now I have on this product from Kulfi. It's one of my all-time favorites. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get off. Not much. That's fine. It's fine. We can still get an idea of how this smells. The doe foot applicator. Hope it's a big one. Yes, it is. Nice and big. I don't really smell. Maybe a little kiss of sweetness. Like almost cocoa-y. Ooh. Mmm. Ooh, that's nice. Has a little bit of grip. I feel like I can kind of feel the glitter particles in there, but it's not bad. Ooh, that shine is beautiful. Ooh, okay. I like that. I think I'm going to like that a lot. Next up, we have the Rhode Isle Bee Venom Eye Cream. Why you'll love it. As the name implies, this tightening treatment is formulated with bee venom. Yes, seriously, to help smooth crow's feet and under eye fine lines, while vitamin C helps fade the look of dark circles, y'all. Dark circles, which I need help with, and also brightens. How you'll use this. Using your ring finger, lightly tap the cream under and around your eyes after cleansing and before your moisturizer. Start small because a little goes a long way. Holy freaking crap. Retail price
is $175 for 25 mils. This is $107. For that price, it better put itself on my eyes, okay?
Holy crap, I'm definitely gonna try this. Wow. I'm already using one, but guess what? We're gonna try this. We do have a code. Receive 25% off of full price items with RODX Allure 25. Valid December 1st through January 30th. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. And keep in mind, this is literally a $30 box. So a $200 price point item in here, that's wild to me. All right, next up we had our Beauty for Certain Soft to Sculpted Contour Palette. Why you'll love it. You don't have to be the next Michelangelo to wield the power of a contour palette, especially if this 5-shade kit is the medium that you're working with. Its warm and cool shades and matte and shimmer textures leave lots of looks up to your imagination. How you use it. With an angled contour brush, use the deeper shades for bronzer-like shading and sculpting down the nose, jawline, and across the forehead. A fluffy fan brush will help the lighter tones glisten as highlighters on your cheekbones. This is $39. I think that's a really, really good price point for this. It feels, nice and weighted and stuff. We do have a promo code. Receive 20% off with code Allure20, valid December 1st through February 1st. Okay. Next up, our Innisfree. The Innisfree Gentle Retinol Salicylic Daily Toner Pads 2-pack. Why you'll love it. Although best for those who have acne-prone skin, anyone can use these potent pads packed with powerhouse ingredients. That was really hard for me to say, y'all. Like retinol and salicylic acid that exfoliate and help deep clean the pores. Retail price is $28 for 60. We got 2 in the box. I actually think I'm gonna put those to the side and give them to my son. a base blue mini sponge. Maybe that was just something we could have gotten. I don't know. I guess we were supposed to get a base blue cosmetics mini sponge. I did not get that. And then last up, we had our Lucetta the Manuka Honey Shampoo and Conditioner. Manuka Honey has been long loved for its sweet, earthy taste and ability to support the immune system. But did you know that it's really great for the hair too, especially in this shampoo? I'm just going to read the shampoo description, y'all. The cleansing formula, including nourishing argan oil and hydrating panthenol, along with the honey, smooths and softens strands as it washes them. And then the retail price is $16 for 500 mils, like just for one product. We receive 30 mils. We do have a code from Lucetta Beauty. It is lucettabeauty.com to purchase. Receive 20% off site-wide with code Allure20, valid November 1st through January 31st. I need to check. You know, I don't get spoilers. I don't watch anybody else's videos or anything until I've done my own. I like to be surprised. So I don't know if we were all supposed to get that little puff or not. But I did not get it in here. I'm looking again. Well, it's okay. I'm still giving a 5 out of 5. I still feel like I got my money's worth, especially with an almost $200 eye cream. I want to know if you've tried this. Please let me know if you've tested this. I'm intrigued. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to update y'all. And y'all know we're going to be honest about it. Do I feel like any type of skincare is worth $175? No way in hell I don't. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. And what would you guys like to see from me next? I do have a ton of pre-filmed content for you guys, but I'm trying to throw in, you know, makeup tutorials and things like that for you guys as well. So if there's something in particular you want to see, please let me know. I also want to know, are you guys still into empties? Because I have an entire drawer full of empties. And if you guys want to see it, then I'll post it. If not, I'm throwing the stuff in the trash, okay? But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.